wow, okay. So this is a new concept for a lamp design created by Patrick Gunther, the Vauxhall studio. And Patrick's a student learning design at the HSOWL school. So this was printed in a single shot on the Object Connex 500 3D printer. The materials, the Tango Black and the Vero White, and a mix of the two materials to produce all the different shades of the model. Check out the surface quality. It's got great light transmission, temperature stability, and the combination of these different colors and materials is critical in producing the quality of this final design. What a great model.